Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the front right window fuses are located, you have, by the way guys, two different fuses in two different fuse boxes. We will explain where you can find it, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way do not waste money and time. Why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So the front right window fuses, where you can expect to find them, we'll demonstrate on that Toyota Corolla right here. Now, you guys have multiple fuse boxes. Today we're working two of them. The first fuse box that we need to open is under the hood. Open the hood. When you face the engine on the right side, under that cover you'll find the main engine fuse box. Okay, that will look like this one here. Once you open it, that's what layout you have guys. Now by the way, before we continue, let's quickly explain guys why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here guys, for the front right window we need to check two fuses, one in this fuse box, one in another one. Oh, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you will not waste your money and time. If you come in that corner here on the top left side, in the corner you have the fuse that you need to check is fuse number 1 right here, 7.5 M fuse. Check that one. Next, you need to open the driver door. Once you open the driver door, here under the dash, on the bottom of the dash guys, if you look upside down, you'll find a white cover that you need to open by pressing that tab. Pull it out and you'll find the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. Here we need to check another fuse for the front right window, and that's fuse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That 20 M fuse will need to be checked right here. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.